If your Framer site is not updating, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Framer not updating step by step, so you can push your latest changes live and make sure your site is showing the correct version. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Framer tips and website troubleshooting guides. First, open your project in Framer. Make sure you are working inside the correct project and that your latest changes are actually saved in the editor. Sometimes the issue is not with Framer itself, but with the publish process not fully pushing the newest version live. Once you're inside your project, go ahead and click Publish again. This can force Framer to push the latest changes to your live site and often solves the problem right away. After publishing, open your live site and refresh it using Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac. This is a hard refresh and it helps bypass stored browser data so you can see the newest version instead of an old cached page. If the site still looks unchanged, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Browser cache can keep an older version of your Framer site loaded even after you've published updates. If you're still not seeing the changes, check whether you're viewing the correct domain or subdomain. This is a very common issue, especially if you have multiple domains connected or if you recently changed where your site is hosted. Make sure the URL in your browser is pointing to the live site you actually published. Sometimes the updates are there, but you're looking at a different domain version, which makes it seem like Framer is failing. Another thing to keep in mind is that changes may take a few minutes to update. Depending on your setup, Framer can take a little time to fully propagate the newest publish. So if you just made changes and published them, give it a few minutes and check again before assuming something is broken. If the site is still not updating after all of that, go back into the editor and check for any errors that might be preventing publish. Sometimes a component issue, broken asset, or editor error can stop Framer from publishing correctly. Fix any visible issues, then publish again and refresh the live site one more time. So to quickly recap, open your project, publish again, hard refresh the live site, clear cache and cookies, confirm the correct domain or subdomain, wait a few minutes, and check for editor errors. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get your Framer site updating properly again. If this video helped you fix Framer not updating, please like the video and subscribe for more simple website fixes and Framer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.